Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. So today we are making the most delicious sweet Rasmalai, and I'm going to make this using bread. So first let's make the rabdi for the Rasmalai. So for that, heat some milk in a pan. When the milk slightly heats up, pour around 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk into some saffron and let it get soaked. After a few minutes, add some condensed milk into this milk. Instead of this, you can add sugar, but the condensed milk will give a nice thickness for the rabdi. Allow the milk to come to a good boil, and while it is boiling, scrape down the malai from the sides of the pan. Add the saffron milk and mix it. When you add the saffron into this boiling milk, the milk will turn slightly yellowish, that is the perfect color of the rabdi. Now you can see the milk has nicely reduced. Now add some chopped nuts, cardamom powder into it and mix it. Now our rabdi is ready. You can turn off the flame, keep it aside, let it cool down and refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours. When it cools down completely, the rabdi will become more thick. Here I'm just cutting the bread slices into rounds like this. Now just before serving, place the bread slices onto a plate. Now pour the rabdi on top of the bread slices. Add some chopped nuts and saffron and let the bread slices soak in the rabdi for some time. And as you can see, the bread has nicely soaked up all the rabdi and it tastes amazing. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Greypot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Thank you.